Hey guys, so nobody gives a fuck. Honestly, nobody cares, and you have to make your life the way you need it to be. You need to make something out of your life. And I can go all day posting content. I can every single day do something with my life. I can speak in any kind of way I want. I can do whatever I want. It's my channel. And I want to get to a place of solitude with myself, understanding the core basics of life, understanding what I need to do about my life to succeed. And I want to make a great reputation for myself. So with that being said, everything in life has to happen for a reason. And you have to realize that when you do something for someone, they're not going to appreciate you unless they help you. And they won't appreciate what you do for them unless you help them. And so the thing is that you can go miles for people and they will not share your name. They will not do anything for you. They're not coming to save you no matter how much you help them. And people will underappreciate you for everything you've done. So for example, I've made a lot of content online and many people don't care about my content. Many people don't want to give me money for my content. Many people are not looking to read my content at all. And so you have to realize that I have to get to a point where I'm starting to really help myself to succeed, where I'm starting to help myself to elevate myself and to do work from home and to do something where I can add ideas to the world, and so that I can add my own ideas to the world, and so that I can be very fluent in what I'm trying to do with my life. So I need to help myself to grow. I need to help myself every single day to understand something about life, to understand how to do better. I need to every single day grow myself into the person I need to be. But nobody's coming to save me, and nobody's going to help me to grow except for myself. Everything happens through me. So if someone scams me, it's because of me. And if someone does bad to me in life, it's because of me. And you have to realize I need to do good in the world. So I need to every single day help myself to live a great life, to help myself to prosper, to help myself to post content online every single day, and to build up my portfolio and to do something around life where I can give a service to people, where I can help in some kind of way and give back to the community. That's what it's all about. It's always about understanding where you want to come from and what you want to do with your life. So every single day, understand that nobody really cares. Nobody cares about your life. You understand? You have to realize you need to care about yourself, and you need to get to a point where you're fully happy in what you're doing in life. So when you get to that point where you're just happy with your life, that's the true point of where you want to be. You want to be at the point where you're just happy about life. Regardless of if anyone's upset around you or whatever it is, you want to be happy with your life. You want to have whatever it is in your life that's going to be satisfying you. And you want to be making content along the way. And you want to be giving a service to people. And you want to be every single day thriving with your life. Making sure you're doing something around helping people. And making sure that every single day you're giving ideas so that you're fluent, so that you're directing people, so that you're helping someone to grow, and so that you're helping someone with information. That's all you want to be doing. But you want to be doing the new way. You want to be doing it the new way. You want to be doing it in a nice way. You want to be helping people for the good of what you can do for people. Yes, and you want to every single day understand that you want to broadcast your thoughts. You want to broadcast everything about you online, and you want to promote yourself, and you want to have a reputation as somebody who helps people. Yes, and you want to have a good reputation, and you want to level up as a person. Yes, and you want to level up your dreams. You want to level up whatever it is about you that is going on in your life, and you want to help in some kind of way people to grow and to manifest a great dream for yourself, to do something you've never done before, and to help people in the best kind of way.